and with lots of pain, I must emphasize. I have been constrained to seek for legal redress.
Kampala Lord Mayor Eria Lukwago, as he announced this afternoon, plans to get legal redress on who really is in charge of Kampala. Addressing the press, Lukwago said he has filed a case with the High Court to get a pronouncement on who between the Lord Mayor and the Executive Director has the authority to run the city. He claims there are ulterior motives for having him sidelined.
There is a reason. There is a reason why that picture is being painted, that the Lord Mayor is ceremonial, the powers are with the Executive Director. So I want this resolved by court.
According to the mayor, the Kampala Capital City Act states that the Lord Mayor shall be head of the authority and he is charged with developing strategies and programs for development of the capital city. The Kampala Capital City Authority was established under the provisions of Chapter 11 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda. Section 17.2 provides that the Executive Director shall be appointed by the President on the advice of the Public Service Commission. The Act, in Section 19, outlines the functions of the Executive Director, which are more or less the same as those of a Chief Administrative Officer at district level, as provided for under Section 63 of the Local Government Act. But experts point out that there are overlaps in the laws, which may be used to whittle down powers of the elected leaders in the city. For example, Section 19U requires the Executive Director to be responsible for the authority day-to-day operations, while Section 17.1 makes her the Chief Executive Officer. Lukwago explained that he's heading to court for 3 reasons.
I'm tired of being demonized as a ceremonial head, when actually the law clearly states that I have the executive powers.
Giving several examples of major decisions passed in Kampala, including the KCCA budget, relocation of street vendors, the planned border cyclist ban from the city, among others, Lukwago claimed he was never consulted. He also says he's being frustrated. On the contentious salaries to KCCA employees, the Lord Mayor disputed that he earns 33 million as pronounced by the Kampala Chief Executive Director, Jennifer Musisi, stating that he earns 13 million, which is inclusive.
Me without anywhere having a meeting with me, then you go ahead to put that big sum in the press. In any case, if it doesn't even make sense, if I'm the overall head of the authority at the level of a Lord Mayor, and the Executive Director who is at the level of Permanent Secretary, you fix for yourself 43.7, then you come and fix 33 for the Lord Mayor.
But the last straw, he says, was the KCCA budget.
I was never consulted on the breakdown. I was never consulted on the priorities here. The way it has been broken down surely cannot lead to the recovery of the city.
Unlike the Executive Director, who's appointed by the President, the Lord Mayor is directly elected by the people. For now, we'll have to wait for court's pronouncement on the issue. Rosemary Nankabirwa, NTV.